Namaskaram. Welcome to the class on algebra in a mathematical content. We discussed about the various parts of algebra. As you know that algebra consists of algebraic expressions, polynomials, quadratic equations, pair of linear equations and other. Okay. So, in all these you are going to substitute, of course, find the so many values in terms of unknown to known. Okay. So, we will see one example: a square plus b square plus c square equal to 25, x square plus y square plus z square equal to 36, ax plus by plus cz equal to 30. Then find the value of a plus b plus c by x plus y plus z. Okay. A square plus b square plus c square equal to 25, x square plus y square plus z square equal to 36, ax plus by plus cz equal to 30. Then find the value of a plus b plus c by x plus y plus z. Okay. So, after my explanation I will explain a joke. Maybe you feel that a mathematical class, how you are going to say joke, it is a practical joke I am going to say after this. So, a square plus b square plus c square equal to 25, I know if you want to do it, just any idea from your side. So, I am taking just 25, you know that it is a 5 square, am I correct? So, for that reason I am writing that one as a by 5 whole square. Next, b by 5 whole square. Next, c by 5 whole square is equal to 5 square, the 25 by 25, which is 1. Just I divide this total equation with 25, where 25 is 5 square, as you know that. So, a square by 5 square, you can write it as a by 5 whole square. In the similar manner, b square by 25, you can write it as b square by 5 square, which is b by 5 whole square. C square by 25 is c by 5 whole square, which is equal to 1. Okay. Now, I am taking the next equation, that is x by 6 whole square plus y by 6 whole square z by 6 whole square, which is equal to 1. You divide 36 by 36 and each and every term of this equation x square plus y square plus z square. Hence, x square by 36 you can write it as x by 6 whole square, y square by 36 you can write it as y by 6 whole square, z square by 36 you can write it as z by 6 whole square, which is equal to 1. Now, 30 you can write it as 5 6, am I correct? So, a of x you can write as a into x. So, I am arranging this one as a by 5 of x by 6, b by 5 of y by 6, c by 5 of z by 6. Of course, 30 by 30 is 1. I write it as this 30 as 5 6. So, among 5 and 6 I send, of course, a by 5, x by 6, 5 and 6 I know. Next, by by 30, b by 5 of y by 6. Similar manner, cz by 30 you can write as c by 5 of z by 6, which is equal to 1. Okay. Now, if you observe it, it is in the form of a square, it is in the form of b square, it is in the form of ab. So, we can make one equation, we can make an equation that is a by 5 of x by 6, b by 5 plus y by 6 of c by. So, I am using a small concept called as a plus b whole square. What is a plus b whole square? You know that a square plus 2ab plus b square, correct? I am going to use the same here by using these 3 equations. I will write it as here, just observe it. So, you can write as a by 5, just I multiply this equation with 2. 2 times of a by 5 of x by 6 plus 2 times of b by 5 of y by 6 plus 2 times of c by 5 of z by 6, which is equal to 2. Now, I am taking the same 1, 2 and 3, as you know that 1 plus 1 minus 2 is equal to 0. Am I correct? Just an equation. 1 plus 1 minus 2. What is 1 plus 1? 2. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay. What is 1 from this equation? A by 5 whole square plus b by 5 whole square plus c by 5 whole square. This is 1. What is another one? X by 6 whole square plus y by 6 whole square plus z by 6 whole square minus 1. Now, I am writing the same. A by 5 whole square. Now, taking this next one, x by 6 whole square. Okay, taking the next one, minus 2 times of a by 5 of x by 6. In the similar mode, you will get next b by 5 whole square plus y by 6 whole square minus 2 times of b by 5 of y by 6. Next, c by 5 whole square plus z by 6 whole square minus 2 times of c by 5 of z by 6, which is equal to 0. Clear? Now, I am coming to the all these two terms as this is a square plus b square minus 2ab. In the similar manner, a square plus b square minus 2ab. So, I am writing this as a by 5 minus x by 6 whole square. Second one, b by 5 minus y by 6 whole square. Third one, c by 5 minus z by 6 whole square is equal to 0. Sum of 3 squares is equal to 0. When it is possible? Because the square of a number is non-negative. So, sum of 3 squares is equal to 0 means I said the word very clear, the square of any number is non-negative. When it is a non-negative means what is the possibility? Maybe 0 or maybe positive. So, sum of 3 positives is never equal to 0. Then what is the possibility? Each one should be 0. Hence, I am taking a by 5 minus x by 6 is equal to 0, b by 5 minus y by 6 equal to 0 and c by 5 minus z by 6 equal to 0. From this you will get a equal to 5 by 6x. From this b is equal to 5 by 6y, c is equal to 5 by 6z. What is required here? A plus b plus c by x plus y plus z. So, you can take 5 by 6 as a common from the all the 3, x plus y plus z, and the denominator is x plus y plus z. So, this x plus y plus z, x plus y plus z get cancelled, answer is 5 by 6, this is answer. Okay. So, are you understand this? So, here we are not using any concept, of course, number of steps may be increased, but answer is very simple. Here, now I am coming to my first statement, it is I will say a practical joke in this doing this problem. When I gave this problem to maximum teachers in teacher training, so okay, what they said, within one minute they said answer 5 by 6, some of them. I feel very happy because so the teachers are very good, so they are doing performing this mathematics in excellent mode. So, they know the basic concepts properly and they are maintaining the basic objective of the mathematics is speed and accuracy, they are doing well. Okay. So, then I asked the teacher who answered as a 5 by 6, how you got this answer? Because see, for writing all these steps it takes at least 1-2 minutes, minimum 2 minutes, but he answered less than 1 minute means maybe he did well in a so fast manner. Okay. What sir? So, you are saying I will give an extraordinary questions which are useful for any competitive examination, but you are saying very give simple question to me, that is the reason I said the answer 5 by 6. How you got it? Because I feel it is a good question. Okay. So, he said, sir, a square plus b square plus c square equal to 25 and no. So, which is 5 square, then a plus b plus c is 5. And x square plus y square plus z square is 36, which is 6 square. So, x plus y plus z equal to 6. So, hence it is 5 by 6. Are you accept that explanation? It is absolutely wrong, that is. So, here a square plus b square plus c square equal to 5 square means a plus b plus c will not be as 5. The reason? What is the reason here? So, a plus b plus c whole square means a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. 3 more terms are there. Then how you are going to say? Then I asked that like so I will take a 67 by 37. So, according to you I will get cancel 7 and 7, 3 ones are 3 twos are, it is 2. Are you accept this? So, no one accept it is wrong. In the similar mode, how you are going to say a square plus b square plus c square equal to 25, then 5 square which is a plus b plus c equal to 5, it is a wrong. This means some wrong assumptions, wrong procedure also gives a correct answer. So, you are writing descriptive type of examination, do not filter that I know this answer, so I will write as 5x, it is not correct. Is it clear? Okay. So, we will see the next question, that is very simple, I think so you will get answer easily. X plus 1 by x is equal to 2. If, then find the value of x to the power of 2017 plus 1 by x to the power of 2017. X plus 1 by x is equal to 2, then find the value of x to the power of 2017 plus 1 by x to the power of 2000. Very simple question. So, what is the answer? Just try it. So, x plus 1 by x equal to 2. Now, we will give for squaring on both sides. X plus 1 by x whole square equal to 2 square, you know it. So, what is its form? A plus b whole square, am I correct? So, x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 times of x of 1 by x is equal to 2 square, which is 4. This x and x get cancelled. So, x square plus 1 by x square equal to how much? Which is 4 minus 2. What is 4 minus 2? 2. Okay. Now, I will write in order. Here x plus 1 by x is equal to 2, and next you got x square plus 1 by x square equal to 2. Okay. Now, I will calculate x cube plus 1 by x cube. What is x cube plus 1 by x cube? Now, you know that. So, what is x cube plus 1 by x? So, it is in the form of a cube plus b cube. What is a cube plus b cube? A plus b of a square minus ab plus b square, correct? Now, I am using the same form, x plus 1 by x of x square minus x of 1 by x plus 1 by x square, correct? Okay. X plus 1 by x is equal to how much? It is given as 2. X square minus x of 1 by x, this x and x get cancelled, and x square plus 1 by x square, just now we got it as 2, 2 minus 1. What is 2 minus 1? 2. 2 into 1, which is 2, means you got x cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to 2. Okay. Now, we will go for one more. So, just we observe one more, that is I will write that value, otherwise here x to the power of 4 plus 1 by x to the power of 4. What is x to the power of 4 plus 1 by x to the power of 4? Same, you can write as x square plus 1 by x square whole square minus 2 of x square of 1 by x square. X square plus 1 by x square, you know that it is 2, which is 2 square minus this x square and 1 by x square, of course, these two get cancelled, it is 2. What is 2 square? 4 minus 2, how much it is? 2. Now, we will write the result here. X to the power of 4 plus 1 by x to the power of 4 is equal to 2. Now, see this, x plus 1 by x is equal to 2, x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 2, x cube plus 1 by x cube equal to 2, x to the power of 4 plus 1 by x to the power of 4 is 2. Then what is x power 5 plus 1 by x power 5? It is 2. Then what is x to the power of 10 plus 1 by x to the power of 10? It is 2. What is x to the power of 99 plus 1 by x to the power of 9? It is 2. Then when you repeat it, then x to the power of 2017 by 1 by x to the power of 2017 is also 2. That is it. This is called mathematical induction. By using mathematical induction method, you can say simply. So, is this problem is interesting or not? Just observe it. It is x plus 1 by x is 2, x square plus 1 by x square is 2, x cube plus 1 by x cube is 2, x to the power of 4 plus 1 by x to the power of 4 is 2. Obviously, x to the power of 2017 plus 1 by x to the power of 2017 is also 2. Okay. Now, we will see another problem. Okay. So, we will go for the next problem, third problem. You know very well, I am taking one of the factorization of the concepts. Okay. So, factorization of the concepts means here, in the previous textbook we gave Horner synthetic method. Now, we are using Horner synthetic method is not incorporated in the present textbook, but it is a highly useful thing. That is the most important. Okay. So, we will see how to factorize the given things. This is the most important. So, I will give a simple question to all of you, that is factorize x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6. Factorize x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6. This is the question. Okay. So, I will explain two methods to you, both the methods. The first one is, so you can factorize this one without using, I am taking the property of factor theorem and remainder theorem. You know it very well. The factor theorem means, you know that if p of x is a polynomial, x minus 1 is the factor, then p of 1 equal to 0. It means the sum of all the factors of the variables is equal to 0, then x minus 1 is its factor. Okay. By using that, you can factorize it. This is the first method. But very simple method is Horner synthetic method. Now, I am going to use that Horner synthetic method to explain this question. The first thing is, you have to write the coefficients of all terms. What is the coefficient of x cube? It is 1. What is the coefficient of x square? It is minus 6. What is the coefficient of x? It is 11. And of course, the constant is minus 6. Okay. Now, you want to verify whether x minus 1 is a factor or not. X minus 1. For x minus 1, just compare with x minus a. So, a equal to 1. So, I will write 1 here. Add 0 to it. Here I am using the process from vertical addition cross multiplication. This is the condition. So, 1 plus 0, it is a vertical now. So, addition. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 ones are cross, 1 ones are 1. Minus 6 plus 1 minus 5. Minus 5 into 1 minus 5. 11 minus 5, which is 6. 6 ones are 6. So, minus 6 plus 6, 0. So, when 0 comes as the last one, it means it is a remainder. So, it is very clear x minus 1 is one of its factor. Okay. Here maybe all of you have a doubt, even at your classes also they will ask the children, sir, why you are adding 0? What is the reason it? Maybe that question arises in that. As a teacher, you have to know this, because you are dividing a polynomial of nth degree with a linear polynomial, mean 1 degree. So, when you divide it, then what is the quotient we will get it? The quotient will be x to the power of n minus 1, n minus 1th degree, n minus 1th degree. That is the reason we are adding 0. So, the degree will be reduced to 1 less. Now, this is the 3rd degree, correct? Now, this one is the 2nd degree, because x square minus 5x plus 6, this is the meaning. Okay, now come to the next one. Here, which one you are going to do that? So, 6, it is a 3rd degree polynomial. When it is a 3rd degree polynomial, it has 3 factors. So, x minus 1 already find it as a factor. Then we go for other 2. 6, what are the factors of 6? 1, 2, 3. Already you know that x minus 1 is a factor. Then clearly the other two factors may be 2 and 3. By using that logic, I take 2 as next one. Again the same process, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 2s are 2, minus 5 plus 2 minus 3, minus 3 2s are minus 6, 6 minus 6 is 0, means x minus 2 is another factor. Okay. Now coming to the last one. So, x minus 1, x minus 2, it is over. Other one is 3. So, I added 0, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 3s are 3, minus 3 plus 3 which is 0. So, x minus 3 is the factor. So, it is a third degree polynomial, it has 3 factors, x minus 1 of x minus 2 of x minus 3. So, now you can write this equation as x minus 1 of x minus 2 of x minus 3. This is the process, and of course, this method is called Horner's synthetic method. By this method you can factorize it easily without any kind of division process. Is it clear? This is a very good method, you can follow it for even examination, that helps you to factorize it. Okay. Here a small doubt maybe comes in our mind, sir, which one I am going to consider here? Why you are consider 1 2 3? So, I am going to consider minus 1 minus 2 minus 3, shall I consider it or not? So, your doubt is correct. So, if all are plus, if all coefficients, all the values, numerical values are plus, then you have to consider minus, means minus 1. Some are plus and some are negative, then you have to consider positive. Is it clear? This like a red integration method, you have to keep it in my mind. If each and every one is plus, then you have to consider minus. Some are plus and some are positive and some are negative, then you have to consider plus 1, plus 2, plus 3 like. Is it clear? So, this is the way to find the factors of a given polynomial. Sometimes we have to derive our own formula. So, that formulas are not available in the textbook or any research book. Yourself only have to discover or innovate. I will give a such question to you, because in examination, it is a competitive examination, they want to select a very good students, of course, are very good teachers for their organization. So, definitely they will see whether the teachers have the presence of mind and they have knowledge to make or innovate their own formulas and concepts. So, this problem will help you to that. I will write the question, just observe it, do not get frightened about the lengthy of the problem. Problem was lengthy, but you can get the answer by only one step, that is the importance of this problem. So, see it. 10 to the power of 4 plus 324, 22 to the power of 4 plus 324, 34 to the power of 4 plus 324, 46 to the power of 4 plus 324, 58 to the power of 4 plus 324 whole by 4 power 4 plus 324, 16 to the power of 4 plus 324, 28 to the power of 4 plus 324, 40 to the power of 4 plus 324 and 52 to the power of 4 plus 324. Find the value. 10 to the power of 4 plus 324 into 22 to the power of 4 plus 324 plus 30 power 4 plus 324 plus, of course not plus, 46 to the power of 4 plus 324, 58 to the power of 4 plus 324 by 4 power 4 plus 324 into 16 power 4 plus 324, into 28 power 4 plus 324 of 40 power 4 plus 324 into 52 power 4 plus 324. Just you have to simplify and find the answer. This is the question was given to you. Already I said do not get any frightened about this question. The question is very simple. Okay. Are you find any kind of suggestions from your side or steps from your side? So, maybe you feel that 324 is a common term, correct? Okay. And 10, 22, 12 increases, 12, 34, 12 increases, 34 plus 12, 46, 12 increases, 46 plus 12, 58, that is it. 4 plus 12, 16, 16 plus 12, 28, 28 plus 12, 40, 40 plus 12, 52, that is it. Okay, that is good. But that idea only to get observation only, it will not be useful for us. Okay, that idea is okay. So, your observation is correct. So, here I am going to use one more very important concept, means here there is a common pattern among all these 10 terms, very common pattern. 10 power 4, 324 is the common. Now, we will see about 324. 324 is 481 is the 324. So, you can write 481 as 3 power 4, correct? 3 3 is a 9, 9 3 is a 27, 27 3 is a 81. So, it is 4 into 3 power 4. This one is 10 power 4. So, each term is in the form of course, first term let us consider 10 to the power of 4 plus 4 of 3 power 4. Now, I am taking the same term or a generalization as x to the power of 4 plus 4y to the power of 4. Am I correct? X to the power of 4 plus 4y to the power of 4, each term in this pattern. Are you know the factors of this? It does not know, you have to find it. So, x to the power of 4 you can write it as x square whole square. 4y to the power of 4 you can write as 2y square whole square, correct? So, it is in the form of a square plus b square. So, which term is required? 2ab term required. X square whole square plus 2y square whole square, you have to add 2ab term, 2 of x square of 2y square. How much you added? 4x square y square added. So, you have to subtract 4x square y square. Now, come to this. It is x square whole square means this total term will give the x square plus 2y square whole square, and this becomes as 2xy whole square. So, it is in the form of a square minus b square. What is a square minus b square? You know that a plus b of a minus b. Now, I am using x square plus 2y square minus 2xy one, and another one is plus 2x. Clear? X square plus 2y square minus 2x. Now, verify this x square plus 2y square plus 2x. I am taking 1 of y square from here, then x square plus y square plus 2xy. We have one more. So, then it becomes as x plus y whole square. You have one more. This 2y square is split as y square plus y square. I am taking, so other one will be y square. Now, here x square minus 2y square, this one you can write x minus y whole square plus y square. This is the formula you invented at this present situation. So, x to the power of 4 plus 4y to the power of 4 is equal to, you can say x plus y whole square plus y square, x minus y whole square plus y square. After identifying this formula, you are able to do this very simple manner. Okay. Now, I am erasing this simply, and I will write the formula because it takes more number of steps. For that reason, I am erasing to give the idea only. I said this. Now, verify this. So, I will write the formula very clearly here. X to the power of 4 plus 4y to the power of 4 is equal to x plus y whole square plus y square. The one, other one is x minus y whole square plus y square. By using this formula, I will factorize each term. So, here 10 to the power of 4 plus 324 is here x to the power of 4 plus 4y to the power of 4. I will write this in a very simple manner, 10 power 4 plus 4 of 3 power 4, correct? Say this is x and this is y. Then what is the value now? See, same formula, x plus y 10 plus 3 whole square, 10 plus 3 whole square means 13 square, plus y square, y is 3, 13 square plus 9. Okay, next term 10 minus 3, 7 square plus 9. Clear? Okay, now I am going for the next. You have to add 3, subtract 3 for each term. So 22, add 3, 22 plus 3, 25. So 25 square plus 9 and 22 minus 3, 19, 19 square plus 9. This is over. Now come to this. How to do it? 34 plus 3, 37 square plus 9. Next, 34 minus 3, 31 square plus 9. Come to next, 49 square plus 9. Next, 46 minus 3, 43 square plus 9. Okay, now coming to the next, 58 plus 3, 61 square plus 9. Next, 58 minus 3, 55 square plus 9. So the factorization of the numerator is over. Now coming to the denominator. What you have to do? 4 plus 3, that is 7. 7 square plus 9. Next, 4 minus 3, 1, 1 square plus 9. Next, 16 square plus 3, that is 19 square plus 9. 16 minus 3, 13 square plus 9. Next, 28 plus 3, 31 square plus 9. 28 minus 3, 25 square plus 9. Next, 40 minus 3, 37 square plus 9, and 40 plus 3, 43 square plus 9. Okay. Next, 52 plus 3, 55 square plus 9, and the last one is 52 minus 3, 49 square plus 9. Is it clear? So now I factorize each and every term of the numerator and the denominator. Now see it. 13 square plus 9 on the numerator, 13 square plus 9 on the denominator, they get cancelled. 7 square plus 9, 7 square plus 9. 25 square plus 9, 25 square plus 9. 19 square plus 9, 19 square plus 9. 37 square plus 9, 37 square plus 9. 31 square plus 9, 31 square plus 9. 49 square plus 9, 49 square plus 9. 43 square plus 9, 43 square plus 9. 55 square plus 9, 55 square plus 9. All the terms are get cancelled except two terms. One is in numerator, other one is denominator. What is the term in the numerator? 61 square plus 9 by 1 square plus 9. These are the terms. You know that 61 square you can get 61 61s. 61, 1 6 are 6, 6 6 are 36. 1, 12, 7, 2. Means 3721 plus 9. 3723. Sorry, 3730. 3721 plus 9 is 3730. And 1 square plus 9 is 10. The 0 0 get cancelled. Answer is how much? 373. That's answer. Clear? So when you're doing this problem, so your mind should be highly alert. Each calculation should be proper. So if any confusion takes place, you won't get answer. But if you are in cool nature, when you are doing these problems, the problems are very, very, very simple. Clear? So shall we meet with another problem, factorize, not this kind of lengthy, 1-2 steps, but your logical sense, a test for your logical sense. So we will see the next question. So first problem, you feel that lengthy problem, so this kind of questions comes in the examination, if, how you are going to do it, how you are going to get the answer for it. Maybe this kind of questions may comes in your minds, correct? But all questions are not the same. So I am giving various kinds of questions. First question also, sometimes you are doing in a wrong method, adopted a wrong method also, you will get a correct answer. That is one of the example for it. Sometimes which is not in the present textbooks, but I am taking from old textbook that method, Harnett synthetic method, that is the one method. Now coming to the next one, I said lengthy one means here yourself only you have to derive the formulae, that is one more question, clear. So like various situations, various strategies, the paper will be is an integrated thing of all these kinds of strategies. You have to know each and every one. See, the textbook questions is different. The textbook is based on only whether, so we are giving do these questions, constructive questions which are said to be those, and try these questions, okay, and think and discussion questions, worked examples, exercises, like all these will be given in a particular objectives. So do this means here you know that the children has to do by his own. Try these questions means he needs some help from the teacher, and think and discuss questions means beyond the standard of the question of the classroom, correct. So like each and every question has its own strategy and own importance. Even your examination also it is a own strategy. I will give as very simple, whether you have a good presence of mind and good logical thinking, then only you are able to do this question, otherwise it takes time. I am not saying it is impossible to get or it takes much more time, only time factor. So you are writing competitive examination, there are two kinds of things is required. One is called mind management and second one is called time management. These two are very important. You should be psychologically strong, that is called mind management, and you have to adopt the main aim of the mathematics, that is speed and accuracy, that is called time management, clear. So when you balance these two, definitely you are going to write the examination in a very highly successful way, clear. So now I am taking one of the example, so that is very simple. So I am taking a square, okay, plus 4b square plus 2c square minus 4a minus 2bc or 4bc best 4bc plus 2c plus 5. Factorize it. A square plus 4b square plus 2c square minus 4a minus 4bc plus 2c plus 5. All these questions I collected from not from different books, myself only I am creating these questions. Here only maybe observe, I am checking, so I am checking my answer whether it is a correct or not. So in that I am giving the questions. So definitely means based on the requirement. So here, so mostly you are going to try it. Can you say how to do this problem? So grouping of the terms in the given expression is one of the way to factorize it. Means grouping means here like terms will be grouped at one place. So here a square plus 4b square plus 2c square minus 4a minus 4bc plus 2c plus 5. Okay. Now I will take a square 4a. The very important factor a square minus 4a. So if you want to make it as a minus b whole square or a plus b whole square, this is a square, we can write it as 2ab term as 2 of a, 4a. Then what is the b square term? It should be 4. For that reason this 5 is splitted as 4 plus 1 plus 4 plus 1. What is 4 plus 1? 5. I splitted this 5 as 4 plus 1. If you got the idea, the rest of the question is simple. If you are unable to get, it is highly difficult to get the answer. That is the logic in this question. Okay. Now I am grouping this a square minus 4a plus 4. This I consider a square minus 4a and this 4, one group. Now I consider the rest as 4b square minus 4bc, okay, and this 2c square is splitted as c square plus c square. Then I am going to consider the terms as 4b square, this c square and this 4bc. Then we can write it as 4b square minus OBC plus c square. This is the second group. Now the third group, we have one more c square here, 2c here, 1 is here, these are the remainings. Now I will write it as c square plus 2c plus 1 as the next. So now the total terms will be regrouped as 1, 2 and 3, 3 groups. So it is in the form of, I will write it as a square, this 4 as 2 square, this 4a as 2 of a of 2. Now this 4b square, I can write this 4b square as 2b whole square, c square itself c square, 4bc as 2 of 2b of c. C square plus 2c1, you know that c square, this is 2 of c of 1 plus 1 square. Now observe, each and every term in the form of a minus b whole square or a plus b whole square form. Here a square minus 2ab plus b square, am I correct? Here a square minus 2ab, 2b term is a here. So, 2ab plus b square. Here a square plus 2ab plus b square. So, each one is in the form of a minus b whole square or a plus b. So, now you can write it as this is a minus 2 whole square, correct, because it is a minus b whole square. Now, this is 2b minus c whole square and this is c plus 1 whole square, which is equal to 0. Okay. So, I said it is a 0. Then the question nature will be changed, that is find the value of a plus b plus c. See, I just here only I change the nature of question. Maybe ask the question in this manner or maybe on that. Then sum of 3 squares is equal to 0. When it is possible? Sum of 3 squares, the square of a number is always non-negative, maybe positive or 0. So, here positiveness is not possible. So, each one is 0, means a minus 2 equal to 0 implies a equal to 2, c plus 1 equal to 0 implies c is equal to minus 1, 2b minus c is equal to 0 implies 2b is equal to c, means b is equal to c by 2. So, b equal to minus 1 by 2. So, what is its value? A plus b plus c means 2 minus of minus 1, 2 minus 3 by 2, of course minus 1. So, a plus b plus c is how much? It is minus half, that is it. So, in this way you can find the required. So, the nature of question may be changed, the presence of mind is very important. So, 2c square is splitted as c square plus c square, 5 is splitted as 4 plus 1, then only you can get answer easily, otherwise it takes time. I am not saying it is an impossible, but it takes time. So, like the questions come from the examination. So, you have to practice in this mode, definitely you are going to write the examination in a successful manner. So, we will see one more very simple question, maybe you understand it easily. Before going to discuss that question, there are 2 important areas you have to discuss, that is most important. So, I am going to discuss that area, that is called discriminant, it is the most important. You know that ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we call it as a quadratic equation. The quadratic equation has 2 roots, you know that as 2 roots. So, the roots are very clear. So, x is equal to minus b plus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a is a 1, other one is minus b minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a is another one. So, minus b plus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a one, and minus b minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a is the another one. Okay. So, from this generally we will say this first one as alpha and second one as beta. Then sum of the roots, you know that sum of the roots is alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a minus x coefficient by x square coefficient. When you consider alpha beta, of course, this one is the product of the roots, that is c by a. So, this is the most basic importance, clear. And here b square minus 4ac, b square minus 4ac we call it as discriminant. Okay. So, discriminant b square minus 4ac simply we will call it discriminant. What it discriminates? It discriminates the nature of roots, whether roots are equal, whether roots are real, whether the roots are distinct, whether the roots are imaginary. If you want to know that, definitely the nature of discriminant is very, very important. The value of the discriminant is very, very important. The discriminant is generally represented with a delta, it is a one symbol. So, delta will be used in various concepts, various aspects. This delta in geometry used for represent a triangle. This delta we used in the matrices as a determinant. This delta we used in algebra as a discriminant. Do not get confusion. So, in each branch of mathematics we will use in a different purpose. So, here the delta is used as a discriminant. So, here delta is nothing but it is b square minus 4ac. Okay. So, here all of you maybe know that is a law of trichotomy. Can you recall that law of trichotomy? What is the law of trichotomy? Any real number, whether it is equal to 0 or greater than 0 or less than 0, or any two real numbers x and y, either x is equal to y, x greater than y, x less than y. This is called law of trichotomy. Now, I am using the same concept here. So, delta has three properties. Delta has three possibilities. What are the possibilities? Delta equal to 0, delta greater than 0, delta less than 0. These are the three possibilities. I am writing those three possibilities. Delta equal to 0 is the first one, delta is greater than 0 is second one, delta less than 0 is the third one. So, when you consider delta equal to 0, then what is the concept means? The roots are real and equal. Roots are real and equal. This is very important. And the common root x is equal to minus b by 2a. This is a common root. Now, coming to the next one, delta greater than 0. When delta greater than 0, the roots are real and distinct, means different. Okay. When you come into the next one, delta less than 0, the roots are imaginary. Or you can say as a complex numbers. So, this is the most important one. So, as per the law of trichotomy, you can say delta has three possibilities: delta equal to 0, delta greater than 0, delta less than 0. So, a delta equal to 0, then the roots are real and equal. So, we have a doubt maybe. So, means here just observe the roots minus b plus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a, b square minus 4ac becomes 0, then it is minus b by 2a. Am I correct? The roots are both will be same, minus b by 2a and minus b by 2a. So, the roots are, and a, b are from this ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, a, b, c are real numbers. When a, b, c are real numbers, b by 2a also a real number. So, roots are real, correct, and both will be minus b by 2a and minus b by 2a. Hence, the roots are real and equal. Now, coming to the next one, b square minus 4ac has some value. When it has some value, which is not a perfect, may be perfect square, may not be perfect square. If it is a perfect square, then those are rational numbers. If they are not perfect square, they are irrational numbers, but rational and irrational all together we will call it as a real. Obviously, the roots are real, but one is plus and other one is minus. So, obviously, both are two different ones. So, both are distinct. So, roots are real and distinct. Okay, now coming to the next one, delta less than 0. When delta less than 0 means here the value which lies under the square root is negative, simply we will call it as imaginary number. So, the roots are imaginary. So, the number which is in the form of a plus ib or a plus bi is called a complex number. So, it is in the same format. So, obviously, you can say those are complex numbers also. So, this is the most important area for quadratic equations, and you know that a quadratic expression represents a parabola. It touches x axis most probably either one place if the roots are equal or two areas. Both are said to be roots of the quadratic equation. Okay. So, like the questions will come in this particular area, this is the most important. So, here we are going to discuss one more problem. It is highly useful also. As I said, we have 5 kinds of academic standards. Generally, those academic standards are going to be incorporated in the examination also, because we are giving weightage to only 2 kinds. One is academic standards and another one is nature of questions, correct. So, you know that academic standards are problem solving, where the procedure will give more importance. The second one is reasoning and proof, where the reasoning takes much more importance, and third one is communications. So, means if you are able to express the given data in a mathematical form, is necessary for writing the formulas, that area will be considered as a mathematical communication. And the next one is connections, means here whether intra or inner connections. Within the concept there may be some connections will be there, correlations will be there. Other than that chapter, different branches of mathematics are correlated. So, the question may comes on that particular area. Otherwise, they may ask to represent diagrammatically of the required man. For example, show that or draw the graph for x square minus x minus 6 equal to 0 on a graph sheet, like the questions may come. So, here the fourth one what I said is a mathematical connections. Means here I will give a simple question. I am going to connect algebra with trigonometry. Okay. So, algebra means now I am taking a equation, of course, one quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. I said sin theta and cos theta are the roots of this equation. Then find the relation between a, b and c, a, b and c. So, this is very important or very simple, of course, very simple. I am using that. So, here I am using the basic concept of quadratic equations. If you say alpha is equal to sin theta, sum of the roots, and beta is equal to cos theta, then what is alpha plus beta? Means sin theta plus cos theta. What is sin theta plus cos theta? As we discussed about the quadratic equation, the sum of the roots is equal to minus x coefficient by x square coefficient. What is x coefficient? Is b, x square coefficient is a. So, its value is minus b by a, and the product of the roots alpha beta. Alpha beta is sin theta of cos theta. What is sin theta of cos theta? It is product of the roots. What is the product of the roots? Constant by x square coefficient. What is the constant here? C, c by a. Okay, and now we use the properties of algebra of quadratic equation, the relation between roots and its coefficient over. So, first concept is over. This is connected with the another concept from the trigonometry. We know the identity in the trigonometry. What is the different identities in trigonometry? sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1, cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. So, among these three identities I am taking one of it, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. This is an identity which will be taken by me to get the answer. So, here we know sin theta plus cos theta, we know sin theta cos theta value, then I am going to use the concept of a plus b whole square, that is sin theta plus cos theta whole square. What is sin theta plus cos theta whole square? Sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta, correct. You know that sin theta plus cos theta value is how much from our obtained value, that is minus b by a. So, minus b by a whole square, and sin square theta plus cos square theta, as per the identity from the trigonometry, sin square theta plus cos square theta, it is 1, and 2 times of, you know that sin theta cos theta as c by a, it is a derived value from the given data. So, it is a c by a, clear. So, what is minus b by a whole square, which is nothing but b square by a square is equal to, just simplify this, a of 1 is a plus 2c by a. This a and this a square will get cancelled, a remains, this a will multiply this, simply you can say b square is equal to a of a plus 2c, or b square is equal to a square plus 2ac. So, b square equal to a square plus 2ac is the relation between a, b, c by using the given data. So, this is the most important. Are you understand this? So, like the questions may be given to you by connecting one area to other area. Here the algebra is connected to trigonometry, like algebra can be connected with the geometry also. Like already you know that in especially Thales theorem, algebra is purely connected with the geometry. Like questions comes, do not feel that algebra means it is only purely x and y values, means here may be connected with geometry, may be connected with mensuration, may be connected with the number system, may be connected with the data interpretation, like it connected with the various branches of mathematics. So, I collected and gave some explanation of each and every problem. So, for model I gave one question to you. Definitely this will help you to practice algebra in a holistic manner, integrated way, and to which develops the cognitive domain. So, definitely you understand it and practice in this manner, definitely you will get success in our examination. So, thank you for listening this class. Namaste.